A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, a term that perfectly captures the essence of these stunning creatures with their vibrant pink feathers and graceful movements. Just picture a sun-drenched lagoon suddenly bursting into a sea of pink as these elegant birds gather, each one a living brushstroke of color. Their synchronized movements and striking poses create a spectacle that seems almost choreographed, a natural ballet that draws the eye and captivates the heart. This flamboyance is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a marvel of nature's artistry, a vivid reminder of the beauty and drama that exist in the wild. Flamingos' vibrant color comes from their diet rich in carotenoids, pigments found in the algae and crustaceans they eat, transforming what could be an ordinary scene into an extraordinary display of nature's flair. Witnessing a flamboyance of flamingos in action is like stepping into a painting that has come alive, a true testament to the wonders of the